If you're considering dipping your toes into investing in Indonesia, you might have come across Pluang. With so many investment apps out there, is this one really worth your time and money? Let's break it down. Pluang is designed to simplify investing for everyday users in Indonesia. It offers a range of investment options, including stocks, gold, and cryptocurrency, all in one app. The user interface is clean and intuitive, which is a big plus for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by more complex platforms. You can start with relatively small amounts, making it accessible for new investors. However, while the app covers essential features, some users might find that it lacks advanced tools for more seasoned investors. The trading fees are competitive, but there's a noticeable absence of educational resources for users looking to deepen their understanding of investment strategies. What stands out immediately is the focus on local investments, allowing users to invest in assets relevant to the Indonesian market. But there are still some areas that feel a bit unclear, especially regarding withdrawal processes and customer support responsiveness. On the plus side, Pluang is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate for beginners. The variety of investment options is also a strong point, allowing users to diversify their portfolios. However, there are downsides. Some users have reported frustrations with the app's customer support, citing slow response times. Additionally, the lack of advanced trading features may not cater well to experienced investors looking for more in-depth tools. Another concern is the transparency around fees, which could be clearer. Overall, while Pluang is solid for newcomers, it might not satisfy those who want a more comprehensive investment experience. In conclusion, Pluang is a great option for beginner investors in Indonesia looking for a straightforward way to start investing. However, more experienced users might want to explore alternatives that offer advanced features and better support. If you're curious, it's definitely worth trying out, but keep your expectations in check.